the Mustang truck. Yes, we have a Mustang SUV, which a lot of people thought weren't really going to be a true Mustang. And to this day, it's been a couple of years now, and we've had the Mustang Mach-E. Well, we also have crazy Mustangs that cost as much as a Ferrari, such as the Mustang GTD. Then we have the standard Ford Mustang, which is still at a $30,000 to $40,000 price point. It seems like they have every single different trend figured out. They've got the drifting trend figured out with the Mustang RTR. They have the supercar, track car trend figured out with both the GTD and the Mustang Dark Horse. They've got the electric and the SUV trend figured out. What about trucks? And we read reports about this earlier this year, and there's been a lot of debate on this subject. We have been seeing a lot of reports regarding Ford trying to make the Mustang into an off-road capable vehicle. Yes, the Mustang Mach-E is off-road capable, and we have the Mustang Mach-E Rally Edition. We first saw that vehicle out at the, I think it was the Detroit Auto Show. I was there for when they did the first debut of the vehicle. I believe it was in Detroit. I could be wrong. Yeah, I went out there because they also had a Mustang GTD unveiling at Detroit. It was right after they did the grand announcement for Car Week like 2 to 3 years ago. It's been a while now since the GTD was first announced. And that was back when the Mustang Mach-E Rally was first announced. Yes, we already, I guess, technically have an off-road capable Mustang, but we need to take inspiration here from brands like Porsche and even Lamborghini. Why? Well, I'll tell you why. We have stuff like the Porsche 911 Dakar. That is a Porsche 911 that is set up for the rally racing, right? It can off-road. Same with the Lamborghini Stradale. Those are actual ICE powered, which is internal combustion engine powered vehicles developed in the same chassis and overall same presence as traditional road cars, track cars, touring cars, you name it. Well, why can't Ford make a Dakar version of the Mustang? Or why can't they make something that's got a little bit more poise for going off the road into the dirt? Yeah, the Mach-E exists, but again, that's a four-door. That's an electric vehicle. That's not the same as an all-gas powered dedicated Mustang, where when you look at the silhouette of the Ford Mustang, and I can even pull up here right in front of us on our display again of a Mustang Mach-E Rally, so you can just see what I'm talking about here. Real quickly, if you're watching this video and you need any paint protection film, ceramic coating, window tinting, or more, we started Speed Phenom Film here in the beach of Carlsbad to help all of our subscribers on the channel and other enthusiasts that are local to the area get their car enhanced or protected. So if you need anything, let us know. Give us a call at 760-496-8607. We have special subscriber rates, and we'd love to take care of you. So give us a call today for a free quote. Anyways, back to the content of today's video. The average one is going for what, 50, 60,000, but yeah, it again does what we're talking about here, but look at it compared to a Ford Mustang. It looks completely different. It does, and that's okay. That's not a dig at the vehicle, but you know, it's not the same as a traditional Ford Mustang. Is that what we're going to be calling it nowadays? Traditional Ford Mustang. Look up a regular Ford Mustang, right? Mustang. Here we have the Dark Horse. Or I think this is the California Special. Yeah, the RTR now, which is another car that is coming out. Ford RTR factory car. Where is it now? Here's a photo by Motor Trend, but it's a Ford Mustang. And they've changed out the wheels. The brakes are yellow now. I was actually shocked about this because the Mustang GTD, literally the interiors are pretty much all the same, except you get custom stitching with the Spirit of America package. Well, guess what? You get custom interior stitching with this new RTR. I mean, it's got more of a custom interior than I think the Mustang GTD, right? Here we are in the official factory page for RTR. No, I don't want to talk to you, Michael. Yeah, like I was saying, scrolling down, you get the same wing and a lot of the same accents as the regular Ford Mustang. But scrolling all the way down, I don't want your marketing. Scroll all the way down, interior. Pretty cool, right, guys? So what we're finding here is that the Mustang RTR, with its custom yellow or neon green stitching on the steering wheel and other panels, even on that handbrake, is more, I'd say, unique and different than the Mustang GTD. So even on AI right here, there's no production Mustang truck right now, but recent reports suggest a new model could be coming out in the near future, and there's so many people talking about it. It's on Reddit too, and Jalopnik was talking about how Ford plans a four-door off-road version of the Mustang. It's really fascinating to me, guys. Look at this. They infuse the wide body panels of the Ford Raptor or the Ford Ranger with some lower trim from those vehicles with the rest of the body of a Mustang, and it's kind of cool. The Ford Mustang Raptor. That's the code word I never referenced in this video, and I was alluding to this whole time. The Ford Mustang Raptor. They've got that name on pretty much every single car, every single one. And with the Ranger, the Bronco, the Raptor, all those have a Raptor version, right? Why not put that name on your other car, the Mustang? If the Ford lineup is so small right now, remember, they removed so many of their cars. Their main sedan for the road is pretty much the Mustang or coupe. You then have the Bronco, the F-150 Raptor, the Ford vans. You could really make a Raptor version of that. You have a Shelby Mustang, want to make a Raptor Ford Mustang. So yes, there are reports online. A lot of people are talking about this, such as Car and Driver and more. Check it out if you guys are interested in that. I just wanted to get your feedback and thoughts on this entire news discussion. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. Here's another render of that Ford Mustang Raptor. I think these are a bit too high, Ford Authority. I think it would be a little bit lower than that. Raised up a little bit, just like the Porsche 911 Dakar. It'd be like more like that, I would say. That, if you can make a Mustang more like that, I think that'd be a winner. I think so. Why not do it? Anyway, subscribe again, hit the notification bell. Let us know if you need any PPF here at Speed Phenom Film. Give us a call at 760-496-8607. I'll see you in the next video.